Morning students, myself Dr. D. Chandraprakash, working as a associate professor in the Department of EC. Today we will discuss about rectify topic. This is the one of the most application of diode. Okay, this is the one of the most application of diode. Diode application is one is switch, second is amplifier, clipper, clamper, and modulations, and coming to again rectifier. I am taking about rectifier topic. Rectifier, what is meant by rectifier? Rectifier means it converts alternating voltage to pulsating DC. Alternating current to pulsating DC, or DC is the exact term. It converts AC to pulsating DC. What are the types of rectifier? Half wave rectifier, half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and lastly is bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier. Coming to half wave rectifier, half wave rectifier, half wave rectifier. We already discussed rectifier means it converts AC to discuss. We will discuss half wave rectifier diagram. It consists of one diode and followed by transformer. Half wave diode represent diode and transformer. I am taking transformer primary and secondary coil is connected to diode, and at the input side I am applying single AC supply, that is sinusoidal signal is sinusoidal signal represents AC signal. Now at the diode negative terminal applied to the load resistor, this is called RL, this is the output. Here suppose I am applying sinusoidal signal at the input. During positive wave applied at diode, the diode should be conduct. Suppose let us take this practical waveform. I am taking, this is the input of the half wave rectifier signal, and the half wave rectifier output is coming. Suppose I am applying positive peak at the positive cycle of the diode, it will be conduct. Second, negative cycle is applied at the positive terminal of the diode, it will be cut off. It will be cut off. This is the output of the half wave rectifier. I will explain Vs equal to Vm into sin omega t, I equal to 1 by 2 pi. Why 2 pi means this is the complete cycle, 0, pi, 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degrees. 0, pi is 180 degrees, 360 degrees is the complete cycle. This is half cycle and this is full cycle. That is why I am taking 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi IL dt. Here IL dt what? Vm sin omega t. 1 by 2 pi integral Vm sin omega t. The lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2 pi. Here constant comes outside means Vm by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi sin omega t. What is integral of sin omega t is? Minus cos omega t, minus cos omega t. Upper limit is 2 pi, lower limit is 0, and constant is Vm by 2 pi. By substitution, cos 2 pi is 1, Vm by 2 pi, and minus into minus lower, cos 0 is 1, and Vm by 2 pi, and this is 2. 2 get cancelled. Finally, Vm by pi is the answer for IDC. IDC equal to Vm by pi. Similarly, Vrms equal to Vm by 2. Next, efficiency. How to define efficiency of half wave rectifier? How to define efficiency? Efficiency is the ratio of output power by input power. P not equal to Pi. Power in terms of expressed is watt. Let us take, I will ask question, in this half wave rectifier we use how many diodes? A bit 1, B bit is 2, C bit is 3, D bit is none. Which one is correct? 1 diode. What is the equation of Vs equal to Vm sin omega, Vs cos omega t, Vm tan omega t and Vm cot omega t. Which one is correct? Sinusoidal. That is Vm sin omega t is the correct answer. Let us take, I am giving complete full cycle. The half wave rectifier output is positive half cycle or negative half cycle and both D is none. Which one is correct? Only positive half cycle is coming. This is the correct answer for half wave rectifier. Let us discuss about full wave rectifier. Coming to full wave rectifier, half wave rectifier we need to take one diode. Full wave, two diodes. Full wave means two diodes. Full means half means one, full means two ticket, like just like I am taking at the input side primary, that is N1 coil and secondary is N2 here. I am taking secondary coil, top side is connected to D1 diode and down side is connected to D2 diode with load resistor RL. Full wave rectifier is, suppose I am taking full waveform, I am giving positive cycle, D1 is conduct, D2 is half. Then the output of the full wave rectifier is conduct for positive half cycle. Next I am taking again one more cycle also, full wave rectifier. During the negative half cycle it is cut off. Again I am taking this cycle is repeat. During the positive half cycle the waveform is coming like this. This is the output of full wave rectifier. What is the difference between full wave rectifier and half wave rectifier? Full wave rectifier is consists of two diodes, whereas half wave rectifier is one diode. Next, coming to differences of full wave rectifier and half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier consists of one diode, whereas full wave rectifier consists of two diodes. 1, 2. Next, coming to efficiency of half wave rectifier is 0.46. Coming to efficiency of full wave rectifier is 81.2. Always double. 46 means 46 plus 46, 81.2. Next, I am taking frequency of half wave rectifier is F. Coming to full wave rectifier is 2F. Okay, 0.46 for efficiency half wave rectifier, whereas full wave rectifier is 81.2. Coming to half wave rectifier frequency is F and this is 2F. Coming to peak factor is 2, again this is also same 2. Next, coming to VDC equal to Vm by pi, again this is 2 Vm by pi. Why means this is double, 2 into Vm by pi 2. These are the main differences between half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. I will ask question, full wave rectifier efficiency is what? 40.6, 0.36, 81.2 and D is 0.29. Which one is correct? 81.2. You always double the half wave rectifier efficiency, that is 0.46, 0.46, we can call it as 81.2. Next, coming to frequency, output frequency is F is, let us take find out output frequency of full wave rectifier is, let us take F is 50 Hz. Find output frequency is, that is full wave rectifier output frequency is 2F, 2 into F is what? He is given as 50 Hz, that is 50 substituted here, 2 into 50 means 100 Hz. Let us take omega equal to 60 degrees, find out Vs, you have to find out Vs in a half wave rectifier. Suppose integral 1 by 2 pi 0 to 2 pi Vm sin 60. Vm by 2 pi and 0 to 2 pi sin 60. Vm by 2 pi integral sin into cos 60, again 0 to 2 pi, lower limit and upper limit substitute. Cos 60 is what? Cos x, it is 1 plus 1, we can Vm by 2 pi approximately. This is the some problem. Next, what are the application of rectifier? Rectifier we can generally use it in electronic and industries and laboratories. We can find out laboratories, we can find out half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Again, I am reflection question from this half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. How much is the frequency here? Always AC signal is completely 50 Hz. 50 Hz is the represent AC signal. Science, that is standard frequency is we can give it as 50 Hz. 50 Hz for AC signal. Here sine signal is represent always AC signal. Sine sinusoidal signal is example of AC signal. It is a continuous waveform. Okay, it is a continuous waveform. This is the half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Coming to bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier consists of how many diodes? 4 diodes. 4 diodes. Just like bridge. Bridge means just like closed form is called, we can call it as a bridge. Here in this form we can apply diodes like this direction. This is called bridge. In this bridge we connect again transformer. This is called bridge rectifier. Diode D1, D2, D3, D4. This is the bridge. This is called bridge connection. How many diodes we can use in bridge rectifier? 4 diodes. 4 diodes. Whereas in full wave rectifier, 2 diodes. Whereas half wave rectifier, 1 diode. Efficiency is for half wave rectifier is 0.46, 81.2, and this is also 81.2. Again, frequency is F. Coming to full wave rectifier is 2F. This is also 2F. Number of diode 1, 2, 4 for bridge rectifier. Thank you. We will discuss next class filters.